Hey everyone and welcome back. Let me show you the full workflow to convert any audio file to text using Whisper AI on the free plan. Step 1. Prepare your audio. Make sure your file is under 25 megabytes for the website version. If it is longer, split it using the free online tool or run Whisper locally on your computer. Step 2. Open your browser and go to whisperwrite.com. Click the Upload Audio button and select your file. Step 3. Select your spoken language from the drop-down English, Spanish, Chinese, or leave it on Auto Detect. Step 4. Choose your output format: plain text for reading, SRT for subtitles, or VTT for web captions. Step 5. Click transcribe and wait. Processing time depends on file length. A 10-minute file takes about 5 minutes. Step 6. When complete, review the transcript on screen. Look for any obvious errors, especially names or technical terms. Step 7. Click the download button to save your file to your computer. Step 8. Open the downloaded file and proofread. Make manual corrections where needed. Pro tip: for longer files over an hour, use the command line version, which has no file size limits. Install Whisper locally, then run Whisper your -file.m3 - model medium. And that is it. 8 simple steps from audio file to finished transcript. If this workflow helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.